Hi, I'm Chris from America. Today we're at Jiehuwa Mountain in the city of Chuzhou, where I live and work. It is in East China's Anhui province. Today we're visiting a monastery here in the city, but I've heard it's a very integral part of the whole Buddhist culture in the area. So we're going to take a visit. I've heard there are all nuns here in this nunnery. Let's go in and talk with them. What do you say? I've heard there are all nuns here. May I come in?
是的，我们进来看一看。
你好. So, are you the leader here?
是的，我是这个寺院的主持人。
How many nuns are living here?
我们这里有16位出家师父。
Could you give me like a brief introduction to this place?
我们这个寺院叫通惠禅林，这座寺院已经有几百年的历史了。我们的师父来自全国各地，都是民众。如果感兴趣的话，你可以和大家一起交流。
Where are you from?
I'm from Jieyang.
I lived in Jieyang for a year. When did you come here?
A year ago.
And why? Why did you come to Jiehuwa Mountain?
Jiehuwa Mountain is culture for a beauty culture. Here is quiet and beautiful. I like here.
They're very nice people. This is a nice place. I like it. I have a student that looks just like her. They've made their choice, and their choice is respected. We have more story to tell. That'll be continued next time. See you, man.